Need to wake up Isa, it's so late already. And she's still in bed. It's already 11:05. And someone is still in bed.
I had a dream about you last night.
Hi, I'm Isa, and I am not a morning person. I usually wake up from 10 o'clock in the morning to 11 in the morning, and I will most likely fall asleep from 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock in the morning. I can't help it, guys. My brain functions at night. But there is an age-old saying that goes, early to bed, early to rise, makes a person healthy, wealthy, and wise. Things that I am not. Studies actually show that waking up early is a lot healthy for you because we get to eat breakfast. Your skin is healthier. It improves your concentration. It enhances your productivity. And waking up early improves your quality of sleep. So we're actually gonna try and wake up early every morning, and we're just gonna have to see how it goes. See ya!
So it's actually the night before I start this challenge, and we actually have guests over. I figured this would be the perfect time to actually do this challenge because I would like to be up before they are so that they have breakfast when they get up. It's currently 12:05. I have set my alarm to 5 o'clock. Good night.
3 hours later.
Oh my god, may nag-carpool kaya sa mobile. So it is currently 6:50 and this is what I've done so far. I've washed the dishes, I've put them back, I even cooked breakfast. I did all of that before 7 o'clock. And I actually don't feel as tired as I thought I would be.
6 hours later.
So it is still 12 o'clock. It's currently 3 o'clock. And I am
about to
so
crash.
tired. Why did I choose to wake up at 5? I don't know. I have no backing. I have to reconsider this. Am I gonna keep waking up at 5 and why 5? Or is 6 a better time? But I will reconsider this later.
Later.
Shit! It's 6 o'clock. And then I have to be in bed by 8 o'clock if I want to wake up at 5. This sucks! So it is officially the end of my first day of waking up at 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm tired, guys. I'm really tired. My research doesn't actually say what's the best time to wake up. I just thought that waking up at 5 o'clock would be nice. As we go along, I might just end up waking up at 6. But we'll see. Hey guys, bye. So today I was able to wake up early, cook breakfast again. I worked out. I had lunch with my family. Now I'm really about to crash. The thing that I tried to do differently today was I tried not to get any naps. I've only been getting 4 hours of sleep for the last 2 days. Honestly, I said good night at 10. I actually fell asleep by 12, so now I'm really tired. So according to my research, the reason why you want to wake up early is so that you can go to sleep early so that you can wake up early again. The priority is to get enough sleep. So I guess the first and second day was just seeing if I could actually wake up, if I had the willpower to wake up. And right now is fixing what I was doing wrong and actually getting the right amount of sleep. Good night, everyone. Good night.
By day 3, I was actually starting to feel some structure in my life. I was able to wake up early and do things that I wanted to incorporate in my morning routines, like do my morning stretching, enjoy my cup of coffee, drink an entire glass of water, clean the house, cook breakfast, ease myself into the morning, and actually get things done. I was starting to feel a sense of accomplishment in being able to finish tasks before going about my day and before crashing into bed at 8 o'clock. Until this happened. It's currently 7:50 in the evening, and we are on our way to our last Christmas party of
the year. 8 o'clock is actually supposed to be like my bedtime, I think. I really think that I'm about to crash any second now. But I'm going out. I have one more Christmas party to go to. Let's see how long I last. So I was actually really tired last night and I wasn't able to close the vlog, but yesterday was definitely a challenge. So I actually wanted to share something important that I learned about this challenge, and that is creating a bedtime routine is just as important as creating a morning routine. Now for me, having a morning routine has been vital because it allows me to have a guideline of what I'm supposed to do in the morning. It gives me direction and it gives me goals that I'm able to accomplish. But at the same time, creating a bedtime routine has allowed myself, my brain, and my body to get into relaxation mode and to just settle into the night and just really relax. So here is my bedtime routine, which I think has been working out pretty swell. So I take a half bath, which includes brushing my teeth, removing my makeup, and then I have to do my skincare routine. That is also really important for me. After that, I'll drink my Milagro tea because it's healthy for me and it helps my body unwind and relax. And then I just like to lie down in bed, charge my phone, and just not use the internet. So that's kind of helped me so far. So I just spent the last 2 weeks of my life trying to create healthier sleeping habits for myself. I initially thought that this challenge was me simply trying to wake up every morning, but I later realized that it's more important to create healthier habits that'll benefit me in the long run rather than just short-term goals like waking up every morning, even if I wasn't getting enough sleep. I really realized how important sleep is and taking care of my body is in this challenge. And I also learned that there are a lot of healthy benefits for getting enough sleep. These are: you get sick less often, you stay at a healthy weight. Sleeping early has actually lessened the chances of me having a midnight snack, so I feel healthier already. It lowers the risk of serious health problems. It reduces stress and improves your mood. Getting enough sleep allows you to think more clearly and to get more concentration within the day. And most importantly, getting enough sleep allows you to make good decisions. Because you're not tired, you reduce the risks of injury, such as doing things while you're sleepy, which could eventually be really dangerous for you. I've definitely been experiencing the first-hand benefits of waking up early and getting enough sleep. Now, I'll admit I'm not perfect and I still have some slip-ups here and there, but the important thing is that I'm really trying to improve myself in 2020. So here are my tips if you want to start creating healthy sleeping habits in 2020. Create a routine and be consistent. Get at least 6 to 7 hours of sleep each and every day. Only use your bed for sleep and for sex. Make sure that your room is ideal for sleeping. Here are some ways that you can do that. Keep your cell phones away from you. I read that the ideal distance from your body to your cell phone at night is at least 4 feet. That's such a specific number, 4 feet, but that's what I read. Avoid meals, alcohol, and caffeine at least 2 hours before going to bed. If knowledge is power, health is definitely wealth, and I strongly urge everyone to aim to be a healthier and better version of ourselves in 2020. So what do you guys say? What are your healthy sleeping habits? Make sure to leave them in the comment section below because I always enjoy reading them. And of course, if you're not a part of the Bayhana community group yet, what are you waiting for? Let's have discussions, guys, because healthy discussions are welcome discussions. And of course, don't forget to follow me on all my socials. I'm Issaplease there. And of course, don't forget to follow ByTV as well. I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Bye!